Good to see you again. Today we're going to be making something very special in honor of Israel's birthday. The country of Israel is having a birthday. Just like we have the 4th of July for America's birthday, Israel has a birthday too, Yom Ha'atzmaut. And what they love to eat in Israel is something called hummus. And hummus is made out of, what's in this can? Do you see? Do you know what those things are? Right? They're kind of like a bean. They're not exactly. They're called chickpeas. And we also have to put something else in here in my food processor. I put the chickpeas in already. Can you see them? Yeah, there they are. And we need to put something in there called tahini or tahina. And what that is, do you look inside? Do you see that? It's very smooth and it's made out of seeds that you grind up. See these little seeds? Sometimes you see these seeds on top of the challah for Shabbat or on top of your bagel. Do you know what they're called? Right, they're sesame seeds. So we have to put about half a cup, look at it going in, of tahina in there. And something else has to go in there that I really love. Do you know what this is? If I put them together, do you know what it was before I cut it? It's lemon juice. We have to put lemon juice in it. So I have my juicer and I'm going to put a piece of lemon inside right there, and then you have to press this really hard, and you can use your strong muscles. Adult might have to help you. If you've got a big lemon like I do, half of one might be enough. I have a little piece left over of a little lemon that I make lemon water with, so I'm going to put that in too. So in it goes. All the lemon juice goes in. And then the next thing we need to put in is some cumin. It's a really nice spice, but it's not spicy, right? It won't make your mouth burn. So we need to get a teaspoon of that in there. And it goes. And some people like to put garlic in theirs, but I'm making this for somebody who doesn't like garlic, so I'm not going to put it in there. But if you do like garlic, which I do, I would normally put in 1 or 2 cloves of garlic in here. And now we need to put the top on. An adult needs to help you with this because there's a very sharp blade in here, like a knife. So what we're going to do, this machine is going to turn it round and round and round really fast with that knife inside and make it into a beautiful smooth paste. Just sort of like when we have our almond butter or our sunflower seed butter. That's what we're going to do out of those chickpeas. Some people call them garbanzo beans. So I'm going to turn it on and let it go a little while till I think it's really nice and smooth. And then we're going to do something else. So watch this. Here we go. It's loud. Whoa. Okay, so this has been mixing up for probably 2-3 minutes. And now I'm going to look at it. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to take my spatula and I'm going to say it's almost ready. It's a little bit thick. So what it does need is some of this, just a little bit. Not everybody does this. Everybody has their own way of making hummus. It comes in a bottle, and sometimes you use it to make salad dressings. Do you know what it is? It's oil, right? It's olive oil. So I'm going to put the top of the food processor back on, but I'm going to take out this little piece, so there's like a hole in here, and then I'm going to put my olive oil in while the machine is running. So it might make a little noise. Hear that? So come back when it's ready. Okay, so the oil made it nice and smooth, and I'm going to take the top off, and I'm going to take the blade out. See how sharp that is? It's like a knife. I'm going to get off all the hummus that we made. That's right, it's hummus. It's not chickpeas anymore. We made it into a nice almost like a almond butter, but out of chickpeas, right? And one thing that's really important to do when you're cooking is to taste it. So before I do that, I know it needs a little salt. So I'm going to put in half a teaspoon of salt. See, I've got a little dish of salt. Sprinkle it around. I'm going to stir it up. And I know you're good at stirring, right? This is something you can do. Stirring it up. And when it's all stirred up, you have to put it into a beautiful dish. This is a dish I got in Jerusalem. Look at how beautifully they painted the designs. Do you see the flowers? I do too. It's so pretty. I got it in Jerusalem. So in goes the beautiful hummus. Okay, it's in my beautiful dish, and I'm just smoothing it around like this. You can go in a circle, round and round and round if you want. There we go. And I'm going to make it a little bit fancy. I mean, it looks beautiful the way it is, but I'm going to put a little drizzle of the olive oil on it. Do you see? And then I'm going to take, because I like it, this is another spice that's not spicy, although sometimes you can buy some that aren't, but this isn't. It's called paprika. And it's got a little orangey color to it. So I'm just going to put in maybe half a teaspoon. And I'm just going to very gently tap my spoon all the way around so the paprika goes all over the top, just to make it a design. And something I really love is called dukkha. Do you see it in there? And what it is, it's just ground up almonds, and I know we love almonds in our class. Ground up almonds with some fennel seed, and it's delicious. So I'm going to put a little bit of that, or a lot, maybe a tablespoon, a big one. So a tablespoon of dukkha. And again, I'm just gonna sprinkle it all over. And there's sesame seeds in here too. And there we have it. There's our beautiful hummus that we made for Israel's birthday. Wanna try it? You can eat it with pita bread, or challah, or peppers, or cucumber, or carrots, or even a cracker. Because it's so delicious, it doesn't matter what you eat it with. Let's try. It's really good. I hope you make it, and I hope you tell us that you made it. Bye for now.